So, because of our growth of a company, because of what we've been able to accomplish as a company in just such the short little while that we've been in business, and I just want to just give you some extra hope and excitement, and then I'm going to announce what I'm going to announce. But what the extra hope and excitement is simply this: that our public entity is super excited about what we've been doing. In fact, they've already started into phases of bringing in monies to the company on paper, if you will. And what that means is that we're still reserving it so that our charter members will have opportunity to purchase stock, along with people earning their stock. But what we got thinking is, with everything going on with that, the bank, and Roger kind of alluded to some of this on Thursday, is that we're so close to reaching these two goals, the bank and the public entity, that the company wants to put something out that can create some excitement. So what we've thought about doing is, and it's very exciting, is that we are going to extend, first of all, the founder rank. Now, I know I saw these guys' faces, and they were like, oh, that's cool, you know. I'm going to go beyond it and even help you even a little bit more. So we're extending it till June 30th for the founder stock bonus rank. Now, however, we will have a maximum amount that can be earned, that can earn it. In other words, that number, I don't know yet. I will know on May 4th. What that number is. And I got this information today given to me to announce to you guys that we are extending it so you guys can stop worrying about April 30th ending. Right now, run your butts off. And the reason I say that is because we've got another country that's involved in this that we also have taken into consideration, have been on lockdown since COVID-19 hit. So because of that, our hearts go out to everybody across the world and feel like this is owed to you as the field, that you need to have an extension opportunity for yourself and for people on your team. So the amount of shares that we're going to give, the number, it's either the number or the date that hits first. So right now it's June 30th. So run like crazy and become a founder. And is all I'm going to tell you. And whichever comes first, whether the 30th or the commitment of number, and I can't share the number yet because they haven't 100% got it committed from the board of directors of the public entity. They're meeting on May 4th or May 2nd, and they'll have it to me so that I can share it with you guys in the field as soon as I have it. So just know you need to run, and you need to run like a banshee. Okay, and go get it done, because there are a lot of founders. I'm just going to put it at that. There's a lot, and this includes our other country that has not even been able to open yet. And so once they open, they now have to qualify still because they've got to pay, as many as you know. So how exciting is that? That one, we're extending it, and two, we're also looking at a program of an ongoing potential of extensions. So I'll just leave it at that and say to you that there's some really, really cool opportunities. Now, with that said, because I don't want my battery to go dead, we're going to end right now, but I want to share with you guys, I had a phone call, or I actually had a message sent to me that really penetrated my heart. And it's important. I can't stress enough how important your role is as a charter member to help those people that you bring into this. Somebody sent me a message, and I never want somebody to feel, and neither does the company, want you to feel as if, well, sorry you missed it by one, or sorry you only have two people. It's our responsibilities of leaders to see that your people are successful, that they get their three, that for this founder opportunity, that if they're right there at one away, that you do every single thing you possible to ensure that they have every opportunity to make it to founder so they can be awarded, that this could be a life-changing amount of money that is given to them, and especially if they've been with you since day one, like a while ago. And this message just penetrated my heart to realize that I don't want anybody to feel as if you failed if you didn't get it. I want you to realize that as leaders, we're committed to your success. That I know everybody on this screen, and I know other leaders that are not on here that are feeling the exact same way, that it is imperative that you make that goal, especially if you've worked your butt off, you're committed, you're to all the things we do, you're all in, your flag's planted. I want you making it worse than anything. So if any of us can do anything for you, you know you need to reach out to us and ask us for that help to get that one more person that you might need to hit so that you can actually be awarded shares in this company. Then you need to reach out and make a game plan and do whatever it takes to make that happen. So do not hesitate to reach out to any of us, to do a call with you, to talk with somebody for you, to whatever it is. This is a family. This is not just a network. This is a much bigger thing than just a network marketing company. This is a family, and we are committed to your success. We're going to give you every tool, every opportunity to make it. But if you don't reach out and you ask for help, then we can't help you. And that's what I enjoyed about this message I received the other day, is that I reassured them that I'm there to support them and help them, and that I'm not going to let them fail. So you need to do the same to your team so that they feel that and know that you're all in to make sure they make it. Just because you made it to founder doesn't mean you're done. That's just the beginning. You now got to go help the other 10 get theirs, right? So it's our responsibility to do that. And I want you, everybody in this field, to understand and know that you're not on your own. And I love what John says. You're not in business. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And that's the fact. We're all in this together. And there's nothing more happier than I would be than to see hundreds and even thousands of people reaching. Now, the number's not going to be the thousands, but 100 at least reaching founder, right? And on top of that, I'd like to have thousands and millions of people hitting Power 3. Let's make sure that is our goal. If that's our number one goal of making sure they're Power 3, then Power 10, fantastic. So with that said, be watching out for new announcements coming very soon about our 7-day boost. We're super excited about it. We're just to almost a somewhat completion part, and then we'll be sharing it with some leaders and then put it to the field. And when you see it, I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised by the quality and everything that's been put into this. It's just, I mean, it's so exciting. And it's just, again, this is just another dip into the new look and feel of where we're going with the new website and everything else. So anyway, stay plugged in, stay alive, stay healthy, and we'll get through this. And I love y'all, and we'll see you guys soon on the other side. So talk to you later.